In today's video, I wanted to show you everything that I bought on my local Dollarama for Halloween in September 2024. There is some fall decor, Halloween decor, crafting supplies, kitchen items, and even t-shirts.
Welcome, my pretties, to the Awfully Sweet channel.
Starting with fall, I found this small wood sign with an orange and white pumpkin. The stem and the words "Hello Pumpkin" are in a shiny gold color. The price was $1.50.
Oh my god.
This is a big foam pumpkin. I really like the look of the stem and the shape of the pumpkin. It's very realistic. This beautiful piece was $5. This gorgeous glass jar that totally looks like a pumpkin. I paid $3 for it. It has a wooden lid with a jute loop at the top. I think it would be so perfect for a homemade fall candle. I grabbed this smiling little guy for $2.50. It's a tea light candle holder, and I believe that it is for LED candles only. I picked this cute pumpkin glass jar. I love the little cheeks and the jute twine bow at the top. This one was $4.50, and I think that it would look so pretty with fall leaves and flowers inside of it. I got two super soft pumpkins made out of a curly fabric, almost like Sherpa. The stems are made of plastic, but there is some visible details. I picked a dark yellow one and an orange-red one. They absolutely scream fall to me, and I like the variety of texture. They were $2.50 each. Next, for the Halloween decor, we have a haunted ghost made out of metal. There is a stand at the bottom, and this one was $4.25. Look at his little face. He needs some love and a hug. The whole piece is slightly bent, just like an accordion. I love that it is simple but textured. This is a baby matching version of a pillow that I bought last year. It has the same colors and the same elements. The writing in orange, the flying bats, and the spider web. For $5, it's like my pillow had a baby without my knowledge. It's so similar. I got another tea light holder. This one is massive and so beautiful. There is a flying witch on her broom in front of the moon. A haunted house in the middle with two ghosts coming out from the sides. Some spider webs under the roof and two old spooky trees with a flying bat. It is so perfect, and I love that it is all black. There is a stand at the bottom and a spot for a candle in the middle. This piece was $4, and it specifically says that it is for LED candles only. More Halloween lights. I fell in love with this LED string lights. It is operated with a 2 AA battery pack. They are blue vampire faces with red eyes and bloody teeth. I love the design so much. Each light is attached at the top of each head. That's very cool. I bought a LED garden stake for $2.25. It is battery operated. You need 2 AA batteries for the light. I initially bought it for a DIY without really knowing what to do with it. I ended up placing it in my Halloween tree without the light. I later bought some more, and I plan to do a little surgery to the pumpkins to turn them into vintage ornaments. Speaking of ornaments, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but I plan to repaint it as a fall pumpkin stand with a pumpkin spice latte to place it in my tree. This piece of decor was only $1.50, and I think that it has so much potential. I was so surprised to see this kind of pumpkin at Dollarama. The face is super cute, and it has big black spiders crawling all over. There is a small light inside with a switch at the bottom. It's clearly not the brightest, but for $5, I'm totally obsessed. Another version for also $5. This one has a more classic look and I love it as much as the previous one. They even had a black cat. It's very unique and so different from what I usually find. I love black cats. I own one. Her name is Felicia. I bought it in her honor, again, for only $5. I grabbed this felt banner for $3.50. They are detailed square letters that spells Happy Halloween, alternating between orange and black. It is 81 inches long, and I feel like this is a must-have, especially for the price. I got this beautiful plastic crystal ball for $4. It has some spooky details on the black base. There's a switch at the bottom to activate 3 settings of colorful lights: rapid flickering, slow flickering, and steady.
Hello, it's Halloween.
I found this giant skeleton for only $3.50. It's so huge, I'm having a hard time showing you the entire bone body. It just keeps on going and going. It measures approximately 46 inches from head to toe. For only $3.50, it's a steal of a deal. I previously bought the little Frankenstein from this collection. I'm adding this cute black cat. There's a switch at the bottom and it lights up in a succession of colors. Of course, I had to get the pumpkin version as well. He is so adorable. They were $2.50 each. For the crafting supplies, I grabbed a black spider web for $3. It comes with 4 black spiders, perfect to decorate around the house, and so many DIYs. I found more wired edge ribbons, all for $1.75. This one has golden maple leaves with spirals around them and a dark orange background. Perfect for fall. Some black spooky trees with black flying crows on a white background. This one looks like a fall plaid shirt. I love the colors together. And some black glittery spiders on top of what looks like orange blood splatters on a white background. A mix of material and colors for each Halloween shape. The bat kit has 9 pieces for $2. 3 purple felt, 3 black styrofoam, and 3 wood pieces. The pumpkin kit has 9 pieces for $2, 3 orange felt, 3 light orange styrofoam, and 3 wood pieces. The ghost kit has 9 pieces for $2 as well, 3 gray felt, 3 white styrofoam, and 3 wood pieces. Those are so cute and perfect for Halloween crafts with kids. This one is not Halloween specific, but I thought that it would be perfect to make spooky containers for an apothecary. For $4.50, there is 3 wood containers with cute lids. It also comes with an open wood box to store them. It could make such an amazing DIY. I grabbed 2 packs of googly eyes for $1.50 each. There is 75 pieces in each bag. This one is kind of realistic looking. They are white eyeballs with green, orange, and purple iris. I love that there is some details in the middle of the eyes. The second bag has colorful eyeballs. There is yellow, green, orange, and blue with a simple black pupil. Again, these are so perfect for Halloween crafts with kids. For the kitchen, I bought a table cover for $4. It is purple and covered with black flying bats. I always try to buy a lot of table covers during this season to last the entire year. I found a small silicone mold with 4 skulls. It was $2.50 and it works for cakes, chocolates, jelly, and ice cubes. It can go in the oven with a temperature of up to 428 Fahrenheit on a baking tray for an easy use. It can go in the dishwasher and freezer as well. It's a mystery from the outside, but if you open the mold, the skulls actually have teeth. It comes in 2 pieces with a tiny white silicone funnel to help you pour the liquids inside of the molds. I grabbed some skeleton serving hands for $1.75. Those would be great if you're having a Halloween party with spooky food. I might do a DIY craft with mine, we'll see. I went to 5 or 6 different stores to put my hands on this mini black cauldron mug. I'm just disappointed that there's an empty space inside of the handle. It makes it near impossible to clean and you have to clean it by hand. The price was $2.25. I found this cute purple ladies t-shirt for $5. It has a v-neck and 4 different colorful pumpkins on the front. This is the kind of t-shirt that I wear year-round. It's super cute. I also bought this men's t-shirt for myself, of course. The white ribcage on black is just too good to let it pass me by. It has to be mine. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!